Hello again, class. How are you? All right, we are going to start a new week. Today is Monday, and we are going to start this new week with our English class. All right, so first of all, let's go to our activity book. And the first activity you have to do is this summary. You have to do it as we usually do. You have to write it beautiful in a sheet of paper because when we go back to school, we'll keep it in our portfolio folder. All right, so the first task for today is to do the summary. Remember that the name of the story is The Desert Island, okay? So you have to write the desert island summary and you match the halves. All right? So this is the first task for Monday, for today. All right then, now we are going to move to the class book, and here we have a reading activity, a reading comprehension. The title of the story is Read the text quickly and find the questions. You don't have to read the text quickly. So take your time and read it as you want. All right, so the title of this text is Desert Island Survival. There are 4 questions. Question number 1 is, which questions ask about food and drink? Which question asks about a place to live? Which question asks about making a fire? And which questions ask about safety? So you have to answer these 4 questions in your notebook. And here we have like a quiz, okay? This is like a quiz. Let's read the questions. If you have to build a hut, which is the best place? And you are given 3 answers. A, under a tree. B, on the beach. C, in a dry, flat area. Number 2, if you need water or other liquids, what shouldn't you drink? Shouldn't, okay? A, coconut milk. B, sea water. C, river water. Number 3, if you need some food, which is the safest food to eat? A, mushrooms. B, worms. Or C, hairy or brightly colored insects. Number 4, some insects are safe to eat. If you eat them, you will get A, lots of vitamins. B, lots of proteins. Or C, lots of fat. Number 5, there are lots of fish in the sea. What is the best time to go fishing? A, at midday. B, at midnight. Or C, early in the morning and late in the afternoon. Number 6, too much sun is bad for you. What shouldn't you do? A, stay in the shade and cover yourself. B, stay in the sea. Or C, drink lots of water. Number 7, if you see a snake, what should you do? A, pick it up and move it somewhere else. B, shout loudly. Or C, move away slowly and don't disturb it. Number 8, if you haven't got any matches, how can you make a fire? A, use fireflies, B, put some wood in the sun, or C, use a mirror to focus the sun's rays and onto dry wood. And here you have the key. Are you a survivor? You have the key here, the answers, the correct answers. Don't look for them in advance, please. And then you have here the like what you are if you get between 7 and 8 correct answers, or if you get between 3 and 6, or if you get between 0 and 2 correct answers. What kind of a survivor you are. All right? Well, this is the first activity, and then you have to do this activity number 2 in your notebook. Find these words in the text. You know that here you are given pictures or definitions, and you have to find the words, the underlined words in the text, okay? Number 3, do the quiz for yourself and then read the key, answer the question. So you have to do the quiz. I didn't tell you before, but this task is for 2 days, for Monday and for Tuesday. Okay, you have 2 days to do it. And now what we are going to do is to listen to this text. Okay, we are going to do this listening activity. So you have here 6 pictures, 6 photos. You can listen to it as many times as you like, and then once you have listened to this text, you can do activity 2, listen again and choose the right answers. Okay, here you have 2 dialogues, dialogue 1 and dialogue 2, and you are given three options per question. Okay, so let's go. Ready, steady, go.
Listening 3.11. Listen and point to the photos. Number 1.
I watched Castaway last night. Did you?
No, I didn't. I had to do my homework.
Pity. It was really good.
What did they do?
They built a new hut.
A new hut?
Yes, now they've got 2. They use the new one for cooking.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yes, but they had a problem.
What?
There was a snake in the hut.
A snake? What did they do? Did they kill it?
No, they didn't kill it.
What did they do then?
They waited, and in the end it went away.
Ugh, scary. I hate snakes. Did they do anything else?
Yes, they made a fire.
A fire? Did they use a mirror and the sun?
No, they had some matches.
Oh.
Now they can cook their food.
Number 2.
Did you watch Castaway last night?
No, I didn't. I had football club. What happened?
It was really good. They had to look for food.
What did they do?
First, they climbed a coconut tree.
Did they get any coconuts?
Yes, they got lots, but climbing the tree was really difficult.
What else?
They went fishing.
Did they catch anything?
Yes, they caught 3 small fish. And then...
What?
They went to the jungle and looked for insects.
Insects? You can't eat insects.
Yes, you can.
Did they catch any?
No, they didn't. It was too difficult.
So they had fish and coconuts.
That's right.
Okay, so here you have 6 photos and you have to write in the order they appear in the oral text, okay? And then you have to choose an option among the 3 you are given, A, B, or C. And now we are going to continue with this listening activity. This is a quick one. You know that this dialogue is usually very quick, very fast. Okay, ready, steady, go.
Listening 3.12. Listen and find the missing words.
Would you like to live on a desert island? Yes, I'd love it. Do you know how to build a hut? Yes, I do. What would you use? Branches, perhaps.
Okay, so this is very, very easy. You can listen to it as many times as you like. All right, so this is the homework. Class, this is the homework for Monday and Tuesday. And I'll send you another video for Thursday for our arts and crafts class. Okay? And I'll send you more activities for Wednesday for your English class. And this week is shorter than usual because there isn't a class on Friday as it is a festival, a national festival, the 1st of May. All right, so this week is just 4 days of class, right? So I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you very, very soon. Love you a lot. Take care. Bye now.